How excited are you for the fireworks?
Very.
What about you?
Why do I look like that?
How excited are you for the fireworks? Oh, sorry.
Okay.
No, skip, Mandy! Skip! We're here.
Oh.
We are here.
We need to be drunk for the shite.
2 minutes. Is that it? You wish you were a firework?
Yeah, I wish it was a firework. I just want to burst with it.
Whoa! Oh, there's that. Whoa! Mandy, stop farting everywhere.
What am I watching?
Whoa! Whoa, where's that going? Ah! Oh, they're fun. I like them.
They're so cute.
Whoa! It's so tight.
It's like watching the end of the world.
I know. It's like our last moments alive.
I wouldn't mind dying like this, guys.
It's really pretty cool way to die, to be fair.
Thanks, Muse.
I know.
My favourite people.
Oh, that's very cute. I can only see it when it lights up by the explosions. I want to kill myself. What did everyone think about it?
It was alright.
I thought we were going to die at some point, to be fair. It was really, really close.
Yeah, it got way too close, slightly over our head.
I know. Everyone dab. Dab on them haters. You won't hate that.